So if you guys want to know how I achieved this like amazing curly hair in like literally 2 minutes, I'm not even gonna lie, you literally just throw it on and go. Just stay tuned to this video and I will teach you guys how to do it. It's very, very simple. As you can see, I am pregnant. And I'm literally 9 months pregnant, so there's a lot of stuff that I have to do around the house, and there's a lot of preparing to do, and between cooking, cleaning, preparing for the baby, I literally need the easiest hairstyle that I could get. And this is like the perfect summer hairstyle. Like, the curls look natural, they don't look stringy, they're very like soft to the touch. And I love the black headband because I am a simple girl, okay? And I love how they incorporated nice solid colors this time around. So I'm just gonna show you guys the finished product of this hair and some pictures that I took. And hopefully you guys love this hair as much as I do. I know that I love it, and I'm definitely gonna be getting this hair again. Like, it feels mad soft. I give this hair a 10 out of 10. Not even lying. It's so convenient, and it literally just does the job. So this is the box that it came in. It came in this nice purple box, and inside of it came with some solid color headbands. And this is the wig. It's packaged very nicely in this cute bag. And it came with a wig cap, of course, and a whole bag full of goodies. Inside of the pouch we have some bobby pins, an edge scarf, and obviously an edge toothbrush or an edge brush. So now I'm just going to go ahead and stretch the wig cap. It's just a little stiff, so I like to stretch it out before I put it on my head. And honestly, I think the wig cap is optional for the headband wig, only because it does have like teeth in it, so it grips onto your hair pretty good. So I don't really think you need the cap, but I'm just gonna put it on. So now we're gonna get into this wig, okay? I'm just taking it out of the pack and we're just gonna examine it. And this is the hair in its true state right out of the pack without having any water on it. And obviously the curls are like super tight and like they look perfect, but obviously for a more natural look, we're gonna wanna mess that up a little bit. And as you can see, there's Velcro strap so that you could strap the hair in place, and all you have to do is flip it on that head, tie it around, and Velcro the back, and voila. So now we're just going to spray the hair with some water. I'm not going to put any product in it. It's just water that I'm spraying on the hair, just to like mess the curls up a little bit, because we want this wig to look super natural. So we're just going to run our fingers through it and continue putting some water in it. I'm just going to keep on messing it up, running my fingers through it, just making it look super natural. Honestly, I feel like these curly wigs look better like on day 2, like after you've worn it for a day or so. But yeah, that's just my opinion. The curls just look more natural to me. But yeah, I'm just going to keep on adjusting it and running my fingers through it, just making sure that it's looking natural. So this time they put a bunch of solid color headbands inside of the box, which I am absolutely a fan of because I am not with all of the designs and different patterns and stuff. I like to keep it nice and simple. So I am definitely a fan of the solid headbands. And now I'm just gonna sit here and try them all on for you guys. So last but not least, we're gonna end it off with the black headband. And obviously this one is my favorite. I don't know why, I'm just such a simple person, but I'm just gonna end it off with the black headband because this is the one I'm gonna wear today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be back with more hair videos coming very, very soon. So just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.